Good morning, my friends. A few seconds time for this footage because we are by the main road and today is Friday and is really full of people coming over to visit Bard Fortress. But I wanted to highlight the environment and the village because this is an iconic place that has a lot of charming, not only for the historical monument of Bard Fortress, but also because this place is composed by different kind of amenities and activities you can enjoy. You can see there that stretches by the side of the fortress, the village. Bard village is composed only of 106 people, inhabitants, so it's really small. But you can find a lot of historical sites and palaces, and this is all the way through the Aosta Valley. And I remind you that is the main gate and the main lock to enter the territory of northern Italy. So that's why the importance of this huge fortress. Stay tuned to know more. Simona Cochi for you in Aosta Valley. Ciao.